All right, so what I found, we have a 9/16 here and here, and then the small one for the actual tension is a 7/16. Now you might ask, AJ, how did you get this to come down? Well, you can either do this and just kind of spin it with a little push, it'll come down, or you press and hold the saw button, drop it all the way down, and while you're still holding that saw button, turn off the hydraulics, and then there's no return pressure to bring it back up in here in the guard. So it's easier to work on these when it's down in the more horizontal position. It was just, we processed that one 16-footer on the first video. So that was maybe a quarter cord. We filled one basket, so that's a half a cord. And it's a new chain. It stretched, it got hot. So it's my own fault for not stopping sooner. But I'm a firewood guy. I'm stubborn. I don't like to stop. Figure I can fight with it and get it to go through, even though this is faster, just to get out and fix it. So I like it with just a little bit of pressure. You can get just about a tooth out of the center of the bar because there's so much hydraulic force in this that they come loose a little bit easier. It is 404. And you don't have to like Hercules these down. You know, because I've had guys actually break them off. They've been out here with the air ratchet or a battery powered ratchet and just ugga-tugga on it until it snaps. Just get it snug and walk away.